Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to study law effectively. To truly master legal concepts, you need a structured approach. We'll start by understanding the fundamental IRAC method, which stands for issue, rule, application, and conclusion. This framework is crucial for analyzing legal problems. Then, we'll dive into creating comprehensive outlines and the importance of consistent practice. Let's get started on building your strong legal foundation. The IRAC method is your cornerstone for legal analysis. First, pinpoint every legal issue a scenario presents. Next, articulate the precise legal rules that govern those issues. This requires a deep understanding of statutes and case law. Then, apply those rules to the specific facts, explaining your reasoning thoroughly. Finally, draw a clear, concise conclusion. Mastering IRAC will significantly improve your exam performance and legal reasoning skills. Creating effective outlines is more than just summarizing. It's about synthesizing vast amounts of information into a manageable format. Your outlines should be living documents, constantly refined. After outlining, engage in active recall. Test yourself by explaining concepts aloud or writing them down without referring to your notes. This process strengthens memory retention and highlights areas needing further review. Aim for at least 2 hours of active recall per study session. Consistent practice is paramount for success in law school. Regularly complete practice exams under timed conditions to simulate the real experience. After completing them, meticulously review model answers to understand the expectations and common pitfalls. Don't hesitate to seek feedback from your professors or teaching assistants. Their insights are invaluable. Additionally, forming study groups can provide diverse perspectives and help clarify challenging concepts, enhancing your overall preparation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.